Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, I'm starting a new series for understanding animations in SwiftUI. Over the years, there are so many changes that has happened, and even I am not up to date with all the changes. So I'm going to learn on all the new changes and how animation works, and what are the different APIs we have in SwiftUI for creating animations in our views. This is the very basic video where I'm going to go through how you can animate views when a state is changed. This is a very basic video, and if you already know it, you can just close it. But if you really want to know and see if you can get something new out of it, I would encourage you to watch it. I have these two elements which are already there when I created the view, a globe, image, and a text. So I'm going to move them to the edges when I tap on the globe. I can do is can add on tap gesture. I can say move to edges, toggle. And how do I move to edges? Like I just increase the height of the one entity and it should move them to the end. So I add frame, and I say max height. Max height is infinity, and alignment, I will say top. Now I want to do this with an animation when I tap on the gesture. So what I'll do is the max height for this one, I'll say move to edge. It's infinity. Otherwise, I'll just say it's a nil. I don't do anything. So this way, whenever I tap on the image, it should move. So let's say you can see that it's changing the height of the image, or like around the frame around the image, not actually the image height is changed. This is how you can do it. Now I want to do it with an animation. You can see that when I tap, it kind of like change abruptly. So there is a global function that is available in SwiftUI. So withAnimation is actually a global function which we can invoke. So withAnimation, it has a body and an animation. So we already got a body, which is our variable that we want to add. So with animation, I just want to say, let's say ease in, ease out. And the body is um, the move to edge toggle action that we have. Once we do that, you can see that now they are, changing the position with an animation. You can try out different animations with so the task of learning is like have a minimum code that you can see what's going on and create small components and then play around with these different animations and see how they work. For example, we can do ease in out, but we can do with the duration. When I tap on it, you can see that it's slowly moving around. The other thing that with animation gives us is a completion method, which is the completion method. So when an animation finish, you might want to do something. And how do you know the animation is completed? So we got a completion method here, and then let me just print now animation completed. When I tap on it in Xcode, um, we have two options here for debugging. One is execution executable, and one is preview. Executable is when you are running it on a simulator or a real device. Previews is when we are running our previews, and then if you have any print statement or any debugging information, it will print out here. So you can see that when the animation is completed, it printed that animation completed. So this is the basic of animating the element using with animation and adding it a duration and then handling completion of it. Thanks for watching and keep coding.